मृगा मृगैः सङ्गं मृगा मृगैः सङ्गमनुव्रजन्ते गावश्च गौभिः तुरगास्तुरगैः मूर्खाश्च मूर्खैः सुधीयः सुधीभिः समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यम् मृगाः मृगैः सङ्गम् अनुव्रजन्ति गावः च गौभिः तुरगाः तुरगैः मूर्खाः च मूर्खैः सुधीयः सुधीभिः समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यम् मृगाः मृगैः animals goes along with the sangam anuvrajanti, goes along with the other animals. The deer goes along with other deers. Okay, it doesn't go along with the lion, or it doesn't go along with rats. They go along with the deers. Gavaha cha gauvihi, cows goes along with other cows in the group of cows, herd of cows, right? Turagaha turagaihi, horses goes along with other horses. It doesn't go along with some donkeys. Okay. Murkhaha cha murkhaihi, foolish person, stupid, goes along with other stupid person or foolish. They can't go along with the intelligent people because either they don't understand the quality of the other wise person, or they have an ego not to go along with them. So usually if you see, this friendship happens among the same kind of people. Okay. Sudhiyah sudhibihi, learned person goes along with other educated people. Okay. Samanasila vyasaneshu, in the addiction, your other friend who are also in the same kind of addiction will join you. So what does that mean is, you will be in the group of the people, or in the group which are of the same kind. So if you are intelligent, you should choose the group of intelligent people. So you need to understand, based on the things that are happening, that whom you can be. If you are among the intelligent people, you will also become intelligent. Okay. So this tells you, how, which kind of groups each one of us can be with. Next one. सेवितव्यो महावृक्षः फलछाया समन्वितः यदि दैवात् फलं नास्ति छाया केन निवार्यते. सेवितव्यः महावृक्षः फलछाया फलं च फलानि च छायां च समन्वितः यदि दैवात् फलं नास्ति छाया केन निर्वायते. See, you have to take shelter of a tree which has fruits, and also which is big enough to give shade. For whatever reason, यदि दैवात् फलं नास्ति, for whatever reason, if fruits are not there, then who will take the shade of the tree, right? So shade will always be there. So that's why you take the shelter of such trees, which gives you shade and fruits. Even if, for whatever reason fruits are not there, at least you will get shade. So this shloka tells you how you have to make friendship. Even if they don't give you anything, for example, if you make friendship, you know, who can help you, or you can be with the people who are helpful to you and motivate you. If they don't, even if they don't help you with whatever they can, but still being with such good people, you will always be motivated to do something good. Okay. Next one. Amantram nasti, nasti nasti moola manaushadam. अयोग्यः पुरुषः नास्ति योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः. अमन्त्रम् अक्षरं नास्ति, नास्ति मूलम् औषधम्. अयोग्यः पुरुषः नास्ति योजकः तत्र दुर्लभः. See, the shloka tells there is nothing impossible. No? Like amantram aksharam nasti. There is not a single letter which cannot be pronounced. There is not a single letter which cannot be pronounced. Right? Every letter has a pronunciation associated with it. You can chant it. Okay? Be it in any language, every letter has a pronunciation. Nasti moolam aushadam. Okay? There is no plant or herb which is not a medicine. Okay, you can always get one or the other medicine out of it. This is what our Ayurveda Shastra tells us. Okay, Ayogyaha Purushaha Nasti. There is no person on this earth who cannot do anything. Okay, there will be one or the other talent in each one of us. Durlabha kim yojakah tatra durlabha. What is difficult there is the person who makes it is a difficult to find. The connector to identify the talent and then bring that out, that person is difficult. Otherwise, people have one or the other talent, they can do anything, and any talent can also be built. So if you are also thinking, oh, I can't do anything, that's not right. You can do something, always do something. And remember the first shloka, always keep doing something, that will keep you moving up in your life. Otherwise, the laziness will kill you. That's a biggest enemy. Okay, next one. Sampattau cha vipattau cha महतामेकरूपता उदये सविता रक्तः रक्तश्च अस्तमाने तथा. संपत्तौ विपत्तौ च महताम् एकरूपता उदये सविता रक्तः च अस्तमाने तथा. Okay. So, sampattau, whether there is a wealth, in the wealth, when we have lot of wealth, or vipattau, when we are in the problems. Okay. Mahatam ekarupata. The great people will always be same. Whether they have wealth or they don't have wealth, if they have problems, if they don't have problems, they'll always hold the same character. They will not change. Okay. Like yatha Savita, meaning sun, is red. Okay. Savita Udaye Raktaha Udaye. He is red when he is rising. And Raktaha cha Astamane. He is also red when he is setting. So like that, they will always be in the same pace, or good people or the great people will always be in the same pace, whether there is wealth, happiness, or there is sadness, or there is a problem in their life, or there is no wealth. Okay, next. विचित्रे खलु संसारे नास्ते किंचनिरर्थकम् अश्वश्चेद धावने वीरः भारस्य वहने खरः. विचित्रे संसारे किंचित् निरर्थकं नास्ति खलु. अश्वः चेत् धावने वीरः तर्हि भारस्य वहने खरः वीरः अस्ति. विचित्रे samsare. See, in this life, in this world, which is, you can call it so weird, because everybody, there is nothing that is useless. Okay, everything in this world is useful in one or the other way. Ashvaha chet dhavane veeraha. Horses, if horses are good in running in the races, but even donkeys are also great in while for carrying the goods, right? So there is nobody who is useless. Everybody is, and everything on this earth is useful. So we should know how to use each and everything. If you take a knife, you can use it for cutting vegetables. You can also use it for killing, but you should know for which purpose you want to use. So each and everything is useful in this world. So we should make use of everything. Dhanyavada. Thank you.